So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing well. Okay, let's jump into the video. So this is the third part of that video. I have done a video of Vim and Nano Editor before this. Previous video will be this. This is the third part of the file editing video. Okay, let's start this video. So in this video I'll teach you about how do you use Emacs editor. This is also editor, but like no one will show how to use this editor because it is not used. Not everyone will use it. It is not frequently used. It is periodically used. Okay, so this is actually the highly extensible and customizable editor, I can say. And like it has many features. Okay, okay, that's all I can say. So how do you use this Emacs? So basically Nano editor and a Vim editor will be the built-in editors, but Emacs is not the built-in editor. It is an external editor. So if I press Emacs and if I press enter, it will say command not found. But how do you get this particular editor? So you need to download this editor. So you need to use sudo apt install Emacs, then the password, then the Emacs text editor will be downloaded. Give me a minute. Okay, uh, it is taking 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, sorry for wasting your time. You can just forward it. Okay, 2 seconds. It's done, I guess. Yeah, it is done. Okay, now it is installing. Okay. No, the thing is, you can also use a Nano editor and Vim editor. There is nothing that you need to use Emacs editor also. But this is a Linux series, so I'm teaching all the commands which is in the Linux environment, or the Linux command, which is all. I'm teaching every commands. I'm not leaving any commands, and I'm teaching all the commands. So Emacs also one command. Okay, that I need to teach. Okay, let's start using that. Emacs. If I press Emacs, so it will open text editor. It's look like this. Okay, so you can see the text editor which look like this. And okay, fine, I'll close that. Okay, now how do you use this Emacs text editor? The basic syntax of using this text editor will be options and then file. So this is same as Vim and Nano. Okay, let's start using this. So if you need to open a file name example.txt, or I'll open the existing file. If I do a list, you can see there is many files. I'll try to open file underscore name.txt. If I press enter, then Emacs editor will be opened. Okay, see, you can just edit it and you can just save it. It is saved, and you can just exit it. You can just save and you can just close it. So let's say you need to open the Emacs in non-terminal mode, something like that. You can use Emacs and nw, then the file name. Okay, this will open, that will start Emacs in the text terminal mode. So the file will not open in the GUI format, it will open in the CLI format. So that is what the difference between this nv command with using nv command, without using nv command. So if you need type, so if you go for the next line, it will automatically if you type, it will automatically, the number will be added. If you don't type, the number will not be given. Then for saved, search, if you need to search, you can search this. And okay, now what I do, I go here, I save it, and then I exit. Okay, so this is how Emacs editor works. And let's say you need to open the Emacs in read-only mode. You can use -q and -q weave and the file name. Okay, so this will basically open the Emacs in read-only mode. So you can write it, but it will not save it. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, the next one is that if you need to open the Emacs in or batch mode, something like that, batch, then -l and the file name. This will open the Emacs in batch mode. Okay. Okay, let's say that you need to open the Emacs or a file at a specific line. Let's say there are 10 lines, then you need to use Emacs to open 10 is to 5. That will be, and the file name. Okay, this will open the Emacs in the 10th line. See, in the 10th line, the cursor went to the 10th line. Okay, that is how you use Emacs. Okay, the next thing is that, so if you need to open the Emacs in some kind of themes, let me take one theme that will be Zenburn. Let me take Zenburn theme. There is many theme, but let me take Zenburn theme, and you can see you can see the file has been opened in Zenburn theme. So you can't see anything specified here. It is opened in Zenburn theme. Yeah, you can see all the text. Okay, which is in different colors. Okay, let's say you need to open multiple files. Also, you can open with specifying it in between what Emacs, Emacs, and eval, and inside the double quotes you can specify program n, then the file name, then you need to specify the exact file name. That will be file name .txt. So if you need to open the other file, that will be using split window and write. So okay, window write, then you need to specify a file name. That will be file, and then you need to specify a real file name. That will be sorry for that, file.txt. So this is how you open two multiple text files using Emacs. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Let's say you need to start some server mode, Emacs in server mode. You can also use Emacs, and you can see the this will open in the server mode, starting Emacs daemon. So daemon is a background process in Linux. Okay, so if you need to open a server in a daemon mode, you can just specify Emacs and the server name, that will be a daemon. Let's say you need to connect to Emacs server. You can use Emacs and you can use double quotes, then client. So this will actually connect to a Emacs server. Okay, so if you don't know how to use Emacs, you can just do man command, I guess. Yeah, it will prompt you how do you use the editor, like if you don't understand what I taught you. Okay, you can just see many arguments that you can be playing with. Okay, you can see daemons and version also, you can see, I guess, Emacs version, that will be 27.1. okay, so that is all up, guys. I think I did not teach you how do you use Emacs in this video, but I can make you another video in the deep how to use text editors, and I can make another video of Nano and Vim. After this Linux series finished, I'll make every video in depth. I'll make every video. Okay, Okay, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.